Welcome back to another episode, guys. This one's starting out a little bit different. We're actually in my apartment up in Canberra at the moment, but I've just got the word from a close friend, Harry Young, otherwise known as Offshore Adventures, that the conditions are going to look pretty good tomorrow for a dive. So thought I'd just end the week, shoot down the mountain, get back home and get in the water and have a bit of a dive. We're going to dive a new location. I've never dived it before, but I've heard it holds quite good fish, so I'm pretty excited for that. So I hope everyone's going all right. Crazy times at the moment, bit of turmoil with this virus and everything, but I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. So yeah, that's the plan tomorrow. Head down, early start. I'm just packing my stuff now. I've got my laptop, I'm just gonna chuck in my bag, got my camera gear, my drone, and yeah, it's good to go. My diving gear is actually in Canberra at the moment. It's in the spare room, so I just chuck that in the car and yeah, we'll be sweet. That's enough of me talking now. I'll see you tomorrow morning. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm with Harry Young. His YouTube name is Offshore Adventures. I'm sure you guys know that already. So we're just mission it down the coastline south of Bateman's Bay. We're about to go out. We've checked the viz. Harry had a great idea to put the drone up to check the clarity. So we've got the report back from that and it looks awesome. So we're keen to head out, maybe pick up some reef species. Who knows? I've never dived this spot before, so I'm super amped. Just come down from Canberra. I'm stoked. I'm happy to get in the water. Let's do it. Just got in from the dive. Yeah, it was pretty eventful. There was heaps of sea life out there, plenty of stingrays, eagle rays. I got schooled by salmon and also silver drummer. Didn't really take a shot on either of those, but we did burley up out there and quite a few snapper came in on the burley, which was quite cool to see. They were a little bit small. There was a few sizable ones in amongst them, but they're just too smart of a fish, and yeah, we didn't end up getting any of those. But as a bycatch, we got some nice bream. Harry got quite a few nice bream. I got this one, pretty chuffed about this. So yeah, gonna cook this one up and it should be nice. Yep. Alright guys, welcome back. It's been some time since I last filmed that. It's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So yeah, just to summarize what happened, we ended up just filleting the fish. I only had the one fish, so I didn't plan to do a catch and cook, but one of Mum's clients from her personal training actually offered us some mangoes, so in return for that I actually gave her the fillets. So yeah, I didn't get to film catch and cook or anything like that, guys, but yeah, back up in Canberra now. We've got some episodes in the works at the moment. I've been on a few dives since then to get some fresh fish, and yeah, we're just gonna wrap this one up here, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. That'd be great.